there YouTube, I hope that your day has been going great, and today I'm going to be doing a video on something that is way overdue. I should have done this like a couple months back, but I never got to it. But today I'm going to be showing you how to get blank folders. So you see there's a question mark there instead of a actual title. But let's get straight into the video. Let's go. So, just as usual, all links are going to be included in the description below, so it's fast, simple, and easy for you to follow along. And the first thing that you want to do is head to this link. It's int.tooliphone.net, and all you want to do is highlight this and drag. Preferably you want to try to get the whole box, but it doesn't really matter if you do or not. So we're going to go over to a folder that I don't have labeled. Let's see, let's go to this one that I used for school. So you're going to go into the edit mode, do that, and delete everything, and then double tap and hit paste. So that didn't work, so go back, highlight the whole box, click copy, go back into it, go over to the same tab, same folder, edit mode, delete, and you can see how like my cursor is here, but then if I double paste, tap and paste, it moves. That's because I inserted the blank text, and you can see that there is now a question mark in place of that text, which there is no longer any text there. And that's how you get the blank folders. Make sure that you subscribe, comment, and like. Peace out. And don't forget, follow my Twitter.